Hello, today we're going to talk about EON Interact, which allows you to create interaction code-free with what we refer to as touch and go. So let's get going. So we are using a lot the chopstick laser that already exists to interact, and then we are connecting this laser to various tools such as rotation, so you can create a rotation interaction, interconnected rotation if you prefer, multi-axis rotations of your objects, as well as more convoluted ones. You can also use a flashlight cone that makes selected components brighter and turns light on and off, so you can have various light sources. You can also add to objects smoke and fire that you can place either to one object or in general. You can still have the grab and move component that enables you to move items, push button that triggers another animation like open door or avatar motion pushing, or for example alarm that you can trigger, kinematics, push buttons, all the way from balloon blowing up to the next tool that is path move, so you define a path that the component should move along. Explosions, that a bomb that snaps to the component and then explodes in real life, obviously as an augmented reality effect. Colors, materials, using a brush paint, textures that you can also add and place to the right location. Example of materials you can see in this clip. Flow effects, so multiple air particle flowing such as cone, swirl, tornado, etc. that you can apply to your items, including for example a fan that you have in augmented reality and you can see the air blowing. Tornado effects, you can screw things with your screwing tool. You can create a yellow contour that's placed and highlight. You can have a circle highlight that follows a person, or even effects such as glitter. Welding is possible, and that can have different tools. You can use a hammer to crack a component. You can have a warning light that snaps into the component. You can have a proximity sensor with dangerous items and gas, an alarm that's triggered. You can measure things in inch as well as in centimeters. You can drill things in a component. You can seal a leakage, but we also have droplets, including physics. You can see the tap water. IoT display that connects with a live stream of data with a sensor that then can generate data such as temperature, pressure, vibration. A nail gun that shoots and hits components and gets nailed. A spinning action on a component that can be in different directions, rotate and spin combined. A light bulb that snaps on top of the component vertically. Multiple light sources from neon to normal bulbs. The bounce and gravity selection, where you can control the shape of the object that bounces, the speed, and much more. And of course gravity that provides you the full physics. Bounce and rotate combination, the ability to cross regions that are to be safe, so you close off a region using cones, for example, warning signs, and also the ability to delete, as you can see in that clip. Important is cut components, so especially when it comes to scanning. So thank you so much for that quick introduction.